Ultimate Adopt Me Hidden Locations Guide. Discover secret spots with epic rewards and stunning views. Let's dive in.
First up, we have the Hidden Treehouse. Head over to the giant oak near the playground. Climb to the top, and boom, you're rewarded with a breathtaking view. But that's not all. There's a rare pet accessory waiting for you. Did you know about this one?
Next, let's dive deep. Swim into the main lake until you find the underwater cave. The secret spot is filled with shiny treasures just waiting to be collected. It's a hidden adventure that's been right under your nose. Fly up to the majestic sky castle and make your way to the hidden attic entrance. This spot is sneaky, but once inside, you'll snag an exclusive potion. Who knew the sky castle had more secrets to reveal?
Bonus tip. Check these hidden spots weekly because the surprises often change. Stay ahead of your friends with secret loot and keep your Adopt Me experience fresh and exciting. Who doesn't love a good mystery, right?